There was good and evil. We chose good. Why raise the time of the Most High, ye sons of men? The rich man's wealth is in the city. Yeah. Destruction of the poor is his poverty. Lord, destruction of your soul is vanity. Yeah, yeah. Do you hear? I wanna rule my destiny. Yeah, I wanna rule my destiny. Whoa, whoa, destiny. Mama, look from when you call me. Destiny. Mama, look from when you call it. I wanna rule my destiny. Yeah, yeah. Oh, help I please. Jaja, make me rule my destiny. Oh, we Lord, I've been blessed, I've been touched. I love Jah so much, they keep fighting me. I'm not giving up. May the realms of Zion fill my spiritual cup. Wisdom overstanding must never be too much. Give I protection day and night from even the pestilence that walk at that daylight. Destiny, Mama, look from when you're calling. Destiny, Mama, look from when you call it. I wanna rule my destiny. Yeah, oh, help I please. Jaja, make me rule my destiny. Whoa, whoa, yeah. Cast away their cards most. Lord, you have them in the region, in the valley of decision, restraining the Edens with a rod of iron. You know not the destiny of a next man, why hold him? Set him free for too long. I wanna rule my destiny. Oh yeah, I really wanna rule my destiny. Hear me call, call, call. Destiny, Mama, look from when you calling. Destiny, Mama, look from when you calling. I wanna rule my destiny. Oh, hey, help I please. I wanna rule my destiny. Where could I found? My destination is homeward bound. No forces try hold I down. Breaking chains has become the norm. I know I must get through, no matter what I want. Destiny, Mama, look from when you calling. Destiny, Mama, look from when you calling. I wanna rule my destiny, Lord. And I tell you once more, the rich man's wealth is in the city. Oh, destruction of the poor is our poverty. Yeah, destruction of her soul is vanity. Oh, do you hear? Do you hear? Whoa, whoa, destiny. Gotta take it downtown. Oh, you are going like bullets up. A bomb by the line you now go. Tell me, I want to know, I want to find out you. Make you a walk and a chuck it so. Word go round so demand them from up so say, oh, what them a go turn you. No bother farm no fool and go back round there. You can't say me never want you. You fit jam one away and ever lay. That way them can't harm you. You feel move well alert, expect any foul thing. Them and know where you work and when you sleep and when you play. It's the wrong set of man, know you got to run away. Both right bad boy, who did wicked yesterday, me say. Oh, you a one like bully so. So, a bomb on the line you now go. Tell me, I want to know how I'm flying a yo. So, make you a walk and a chuck it so. You did in a crane 5 and me did in a crane 9. Humbler than you little boy, you couldn't find. No, you murdering people, what fly up in your mind. Kill so much people every day, they know my time. Know your friends them after you, your life is on the line. Start playing the round, them chant out to find. This is what you be, you better go and rewind. Me say, oh you are one like bully so. Fool, up on borderline you nah go. Tell me, I want to know how I'm flying a yo. Fool, make you a walk and a chuck it so. Now have no responsibility, no responsible. Not a baby mother, we run the home to. Leg found and I mean, everybody want you. 5 bad man a hunt you. Now we double, public nuisance. You are the tea in trouble. It's either you kill the guy or them murder you. Take it easy, hear it from Buju. Straight from me heart, I am coming to you. When me ask them, how you are going like bully so. I'm on borderline, you now go. Tell me, how I feel know how I'm flying a yo. Make you a walk and a chuck it so. Word go round so demand them from us so say, ooh, what them a go can yo. Nobody farm no fool and go back round there. Can't say me never want you. You fit someone away and ever lay. That brain them can't harm you. The man them know where you work and where you sleep and where you play. This the wrong set of man, know you got to run away. Both right bad but only wicked as it is. Still want it today. I'm gonna say, oh you are going like bully so. I'm on borderline you now go. Fool, I want to know how I'm flying a yo. Make you a walk and a chuck it so. Get in a crane 5 and me did in a crane 9. Humbler than you little boy, you couldn't find. Know you're murdering people, what's on your brain and your mind. Kill so much people every day, the number climb. Know your friends them after you, your life is on the line. Start playing the round, them chant out to find. Why get wicked and no stop boss combine? While Buju Banton rhyme, I ask them, oh you a ball like bully so. I'm on borderline you now. I want to know how I'm flying a yo. Let you a walk and a choke it so.
You broke nothing. Look from when I parents them all show I certain things. I used to laugh still. But you don't know man if I come and live him live. I stand up and watch them. All the parents make all the mute to go in a bubble on. Come see you now. Then come look you now, friend. Right. They get the youth them homeless. Who is to be blamed? Question mark, is their surname? Homeless. Who bears their pain? From the mess I see them picking up them brains. Homeless. Who is to be blamed? Question mark, is their surname? Homeless. Who bears their pain? From the mess, hey, bless up those who pray. Give thanks. Many come and say still they read blank because of negligence. You're lowering their rank. I refute your statement. Where is the balance? House of falls of bent. I mean you happen done a damn. We economical well tight. Who no yam. Left me in a nothing but devastation. And now you're gonna call another election when them homeless. Who is to be blamed? Question mark, is that surname? Homeless. Who bears the pain? From the mess I see you picking up your grains. Homeless. Who is to be blamed? Question mark, is my surname? Homeless. Who bears their pain? From the mess, hey, what is it you can tell me when the stable's still lean? You keep rocking the boat, yo, you know what we mean. What's your reaction when they flip up on the screen? Say your police and your soldiers kill a community clean. Hey, there, your system to our pocket is a razor. So your money will trickle to you later. You don't help any, know why you design to suffer. Now you sell us out to please your ego. Booyah, me call upon the ghetto, you them fi stay strong. Them don't have no title for the earth, only for the land. Still I see on the route, they were target wrong. Don't refine your line, it's stand up black man, cause the ghetto, you them homeless. Who is to be blamed? Question mark, is that surname? Homeless. Who bears the pain? No, take black people for game. Homeless. Who is to be blamed? Question mark, is that surname? Homeless. Who bears the pain? From the mess, oh yes, I want to reach an home and I tell you really soon. Africa come, whether night or noon. My roof hold the sun, stars and moon. Oh yeah, yeah, what is it you got to prove? And they get to use them homeless. Who is to be blamed? Question mark, is that surname? Homeless, who bears the pain? From the mess I see you picking up your grains. Homeless, who is to be blamed? Question mark, smoke me no hug nor embrace. Zion is a bountiful place. I chant on the wicked heart chase. Hey, this are in a them face. Man, I come here so to sip of them taste. Hey, this are waiter and wait. I chant on the wicked heart way. On the seats, make me know them wouldn't come. So them wicked then I want make them run. You look, you live, you looking at your gun roll. Check positive, accumulate of them. Some give me the blessing, cause the blessings will count. Never you worry, I won't miss not a out. You this last thing, you know make it up mount. Zion we a pounce, this a African face. Some of me no hug nor embrace. Mount Zion is a very high place. I chant on the wicked heart chase. I trampling on them face. When I come here suffering, I'm from them place. I chant on the wicked heart chase. I plant on the righteous come pray. Tell them say, be so fine with the love one over. Please, no worry your mind if you're wealthy. Please, from you I read that boundary. Please, just let me see your face out of the heat. No yam no me no them all a bahana. Touch, no worry yourself, no the Rasta man now. Look, the lion eat the healing herbs and looks. You don't want praise the when I come on the rocks in your face. Smoke, me no hug nor embrace. When I come here suffering, I'm from them place. I chant on the wicked heart a chase. Hey, trampling on them face. Chant before the wind water race. Greater than great was the rate. I chant on the wicked heart a quake. Do you know? Tell them send. Rising when it's surprising, bringing them to them sense. Get a youth been maximizing, Rasta open them eyes. Round them for us, I see high children stand at the side. Lightning dropping around, they go against the most high. Putting up the evil, what they want, they big and wondering why. Giving the eye, been the chant, now they can't satisfy. Now happy seeds are planted, now the youth won't cry. When I all a chant, I know enough for go fry. The rivers are go stop and all them flesh can't try. I know them a look for see God come from sky. I build upon them, Jesus now get no reply. Can you do without this earth? In a them face. Smoke, me no hug nor embrace. I chant so I want you to break. I plant, never you chase. In a them face. When I come here so face sip of them face. I plant, righteous will break. I chant, wicked heart a chase. No them wouldn't come. So them wicked then I want make them run. You look, you live, you looking at your cow. Check positive accumulate.
The King of Kings look on the tidings he brings on the feet. To all them a flex Rasta man a free rebel. As them say we them all a pull up in a them cell. Hail King Selassie and the whole and them bend. With a friend, after fire burn them down again. To all them a flex Rasta man a free rebel. As them say we them all a pull up in a them cell. Hail Queen Omega and the whole and them bend. With a friend, after fire burn, we coming like thunder, just like earthquake. Some of them a run for cover in a them secret place. Lining up on them over like parades in a plate. Burn down a flesh in your them don't know them spice. This is the night you bring the earth, majestical lift. Yes, me know them in a fight, we just a joke a mystic. Rasta youths I know, burn them rights and writs. Most to the voice with the word from my lips. To all them a flex Rasta man a free rebel. As them say we them all a pull up in a them shell. Hail King Selassie and the whole and them bend. When a friend, burn them down with fire all again. To all them a flex Rasta man a free rebel. As them say we them all a pull up in a them shell. Hail Emmanuel and the whole and them bend. My friend, fire all upon them again. Just watch that speech. Beyond the lookout, Sizzla seats of the east is my road. Stand up on your feet, cause this a more than joke. Involving sound of easy man, a snort them coke. But all who come out Selassie, I bound to take root. But blossom and for this earth with fruit. fruit. To pour more rain and wash the pain from the youth. It take no strength to tell the truth. On the fruit, to all them a fresh rasta man a feel rebel. As them sweet them all a pull up in a them cell. Hail King Selassie, I'm the whole and them dead, my friend. Hot the fire burn them down again. To all them a flex rasta man a feel rebel. As them sweet them all a pull up in a them cell. Hail King Selassie, I'm the whole and them a bend, my friend. Lightning and thunder, tell them send the charge out. We help hurry and move too fast. Things must be done, we come to do all of the part. Long bound to come to delete, strife and rot. Your duties, you're not done on your seat, you a skylark. Beating off your gum when you hear me a talk. That is where you've got the fault. On the seat, to how them a flex rasta man a feel rebel. As them sweet them all a pull up, pull up, pull up. Well, here King Selassie and the whole and then dead, my friend. Hot a fire burn them down again. To how them a flex rasta man a feel rebel. As them sweet them all a pull up in them shell. Here Queen Omega and the whole and then dead, my friend. Hot a fire, moving coming like thunder, just like earthquake. Some of them are run for cover in a them secret place. Lightning a turn them over like porridge in a plate. Burn down a flesh, yam and them no know them space. Check it, well Rubenites, Zabot can't be your sick. Now you been the heights, majestic and lift. Get a youth, cyanide and burn them rights and rips. Powers to the voice with the words on my lips. No slip, to how them a flex rasta man a feel rebel. As them see we them all a pull up in a them cell. A King Selassie on the whole and them dead, my friend. And make we burn them down again. To how them a flex rasta man a to rebel. As them see we them all a pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up. Here King Selassie and the whole and them dead, my friend. Come make we, cause you're the right up on the way.
Heaven help us all, yeah. Heaven help us all. Heaven help us all. Heaven help us all. Hear me when I call. Heaven help us all. Heaven help the black man with his back against the wall. Heaven have the white man see his kingdom is about to fall. Heaven have the man who kicks the other man until they crawl. Yeah, heaven help us all. Heaven help us all. Heaven help us all. Heaven help us all. Hear me when I call. Heaven help us all. Heaven at the ghetto youths are roaming on the streets. Heaven at those little youths with no shoes on their feet. Heaven at those little youths who got no food to eat. Yeah, heaven help us all. Heaven help us all. Heaven help us all. Heaven help us all. Hear me when I call. Heaven help us all. Gunman who's depending on his gun. Heaven have that man who shoots his other brother down. Heaven have the brother who's always on the run. Yeah, heaven help us all. Heaven help us all. Heaven help us all. Pocket is empty, no money to buy, and God knows I'm hungry. Don't ask me why. I guess it's a system on working on me. I'm just a victim of poverty. Where there is life, then there's hope, they say. So I know that there'll be a better day. All I gotta do is hope and trust and pray. And I know that my God will lead the way. I say it's not easy on my pilgrim's journey. The burden I carry is more than I can bear. Why should I worry when I can pray? I know God will show me how to conquer my fear. Where there is life, then there's hope, they say. So I know that there'll be a better way. All I gotta do is hope and work and pray. And I know that my God will lead the way. Jah said, before any of his children shall stay by the wayside and beg bread, then heaven and earth shall pass away. Jah said, before any of his children shall stay by the wayside and beg bread, then heaven and earth shall pass away. Heaven and earth shall pass. Where there is life, then there's hope, they say. So I know that there'll be a better way. All I gotta do is hope and work and pray. And I know that my God will show the way. Where there is life, then there's hope, they say. So I know that there'll be a better way. All I gotta do is hope and work and pray. And I know that my God will show the way. I will follow you wherever you may go. I took a little trip trying to find myself, journeying, weaving my soul. It took a little time then to realize that something wasn't right. Something wasn't right. Yeah. For many years I've been without. Gets out sometimes and all my doubt. Yeah. There was no one for me. No one got to hold you company. And I know that as long as he is my friend, Something wasn't right. Something wasn't right. But now I know that he is my friend, and he'll be my friend until the very end. Oh yes, I know that as long as he is my guide.
If you're wrong, they complain. Even if we call the Father's name, it's the same what they want us to do. Don't they know this is nothing new? Why won't they do what they want? Let me do my thing, you should be thankful. There are lights of hope that are still shining. Shining. If we do wrong, they complain. Even if we call the Father's name, it's the same what they want us to do. Don't they know this is nothing? Why won't they do what they want? Let me do my thing, you should be thankful. The lights of hope are still shining. Shining.
Let your rise and the Eden scatter. I forgive thanks and praises no matter. Even if the flame is getting hotter and hotter, everybody should I know me live in a room. Children arise and you sleep and slumber. No come here so we bow with they are so we conquer. Strictly love while you envy your brother. No make them rearrange you in a different manner.
If we do wrong, they complain. Even if we call the Father's name, it's the same what they want us to do. Don't they know this is nothing? Why won't they do what they want? Let me do my thing, you should be thankful. The lights of hope that are still shining. Shining.
Why should I try to gain acceptance? Can't tell an next man no for wearing pants. Lift up the name of Jah in abundance. So every single thing we do in life we get a sentence. But we won't be like a fleet. Just like the only more we see. And the less say you will speak my man. Don't you be like a stubborn sheep. I say.
Blessed are he when men shall revile you and persecute you, say all manner of evil against you falsely for your sake. Rejoice, I say, and be exceedingly glad, for great is your reward. But so persecute they the prophets before you and me. Wrong they complain, even if we call the Father's name, it's the same what they want us to do. Don't they know this is nothing? Why don't they do what they want? And let me do my thing, we should be thankful. The lights of hope are still shining. Shining.
Let your rise and the Eden scatter. I forgive thanks and praises no matter. Even if the flame is getting hotter and hotter, everybody should I know me live in a room. Children arise and you sleep and slumber. No come here so we bow with they are so we conquer. Strictly love while you envy your brother. No make them rearrange you in a different manner.
If we do wrong, they complain. Even if we call the Father's name, it's the same what they want us to do. Don't they know this is nothing? Why won't they do what they want? Let me do my thing, we should be thankful. The lights of hope are still shining. Shining.
Them bite the same hands we feed them. The sign you blow. Give up the food for the righteous and the hidden. And mother hurt. Never stop produce for all her children. Don't be an enemy to a very, very good friend. Oh, what a joy. Knowing that this hurt had been given unto I and I. And none can destroy. Mother hurt. Never stop work ever since you've been employed. Oh, what a joy. Knowing that this hurt had been given unto I and I. None can destroy. Mother hurt. Never stop work ever since you've been employed. Come, make you show them over the big and see the calamity where I come. That is the earth and the fullness thereof like unto none. I've got no money, now me power in abundance, food it a run. Them this mother hurt every day and still I walk on touch a ground. The seeds I sow will grow in due season. Healing herbs and fruit natural botanical garden. Can't I to blood the meat and a big rasta man pardon. Jump, remove and breathe, delete all burdens. And oh, what a joy. Knowing that this hurt had been given unto I and I. None can destroy.
you've been employed. Oh, what a joy, knowing that this hurt had been given unto I and I can destroy. Mother hurt never stop work ever since you've been employed. Boy, children old and all young have to praise him. Creatures of this air, foes of the earth, all earthly things, praise him. Holy mountains, moon and stars, sun and green, make a joyful noise unto King Selassie and give praises. Oh, what a what a joy, knowing that this hurt had been given unto I and I, none can destroy. Mother hurt never stop work ever since you've been employed. Oh, what a joy, mother hurt never stop work ever since you've been employed. None can destroy. Mother hurt, they're fixing unto me rich mom. You see, bless all things that all you have been all eating. Yay, nevertheless mother hurt is always giving. I wouldn't want my life if this hurt haven't been existing. My soul wait for Jah more than those who watch it for the morning. Oh, what a joy, knowing that this hurt had been given unto I and I, none can destroy. It's no alloy. Mother hurt never stop work ever since you've been employed. Children, come back and show them how to live. Come and see the calamity where you come. Hey, Jah is the earth and the fullness thereof like unto Jah none. I've got no money, now me for money in abundant food it's a run. Them this man hurt every day and still I walk on Jah ground. Hey, where thy soul will go in due season. He'll let some fruit natural but on the garden. Can't lie to bloody meat and a big rasta man pardon. Jah, remove all grief, delete all burdens and oh what a joy. Oh, knowing that this hurt had been given unto I and I, none can destroy. Mother hurt never stop work ever since you've been employed. Oh, what a joy.
Mighty God, mighty God, oh mighty God, oh yeah yeah yeah, I believe, oh yeah yeah yeah, Jah bless and I receive, oh yeah yeah yeah, I believe, oh yeah yeah yeah, Jah bless and I receive. Great is the maker of everything, every being that's living. Great and small, he created all, on his name we all must call. He made the heavens and the firmament, evil things not spoken of. Mighty God is terrible, it's terrible than all. Ooh yeah yeah yeah, I believe. Ooh yeah yeah yeah, Jah bless and I receive. Ooh yeah yeah yeah, I believe. Ooh yeah yeah yeah, Jah bless and I receive. I'd walk in the paths of righteousness, spreading Jah love and happiness, teaching Jah word all over, trying to heal the world. Hoping one day that things will turn, all mankind learn truth and learn, showing the youth the way to earn, to escape the fire burn. Ooh yeah yeah yeah, I believe. Ooh yeah yeah yeah, Jah bless and I receive. Ooh yeah yeah yeah, I believe. Ooh yeah yeah yeah, Jah bless and I receive. Let us make a joyful noise and let the whole world hear us. Let's be humble and be wise and be upright in Jah eyes. Ooh yeah yeah yeah, I believe. Ooh yeah yeah yeah, these blessings we receive. Ooh yeah yeah yeah, I believe. Ooh yeah yeah yeah, Jah blessings we receive. Mighty and terrible is He, creator of land and sea, all things great and small, created He, one and all. Great is the maker of everything, every being that's living. Great and small, He created all, on His name we all must call. He made the heavens and the firmament, even things not spoken of. Mighty Jah is terrible, it's terrible than all. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I believe. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The blessings I receive. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I believe. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The blessings I receive. Mighty Jah, mighty Jah. Oh, mighty Jah. Cause I'm fair. Brother man, what is your plan? Do you intend to go on living so wrong? Stop and check before it's too late. You better make your crooked straight or you will regret. Every day you're fussing and fighting, robbing, looting and shooting. Turn your life around or you will go down. Turn your life around. Yes. You better ask God to forgive your wickedness and ask Him to wipe away your guiltiness. You can't get away, can't get away. You will have to pay. Mr. Man, rinsing your steel, taking another life, how do you feel? One day I know your time will come. Better hear this word of advice and throw down your gun. Every day you're fussing and fighting, innocent blood you've been shedding. Turn your life around or you will go down. Turn your life around. You can't get away, can't get away. You will have to pay. You better ask God to forgive your wickedness and ask Him to wipe away your guiltiness, blood guiltiness. You better ask God to forgive your wickedness and ask Him to wipe away your guiltiness, blood guiltiness. Oh, yeah. Go down on your knees and pray. Brother man, what is your plan? Do you intend to go on living so wrong? Stop and check before it's too late. You better make your crooked straight or you will regret. You better ask God to forgive.
More love, more love, more love, more love. We need more love and justice is all what we need. So let us be conscious so we all can proceed and never lose focus. That won't make us achieve. I don't love and just burn them envy and greed. It's the same old story. No lose the sanity. Same old story about the vanities. Same old story. Beer promises. Same old story. So that one on him. So they always say what they gonna do. Still they always do what they wanna do. And they always say what they never do. And the words they speak is never true. Still a pressure them apply. After them sick as a living and getting so high. Everything gone sky high. I wonder if them ever felt the people pain when the people cry. Them told like that that sky is the limit. And still when me ready for my share, them a tell me say it finish. Long time slavery abolish and diminish. When them still a go with them willing links in it. Now one and long. It's the same old story. They promises. Same old story. No lose the sanity. Same old story. No bow for vanities. Same old story. We need more love and trust. Justice is all what we need. So let us be conscious, so we all can proceed and never lose focus. That won't make us achieve. I don't love and just burn them envy and greed. It's the same old story. No lose the sanity. Same old story. No both for vanities. Same old story. Beer promises. Same old story. So now one of them. So they always say what they gonna do. Still they always do what they wanna do. And they always say what they never do. And the words they speak is never true. Still I pressure them apply. After them sick as I living and getting so high. Or everything can sky high. I wonder if them ever feel the people pain when the people cry. Them told like that sky is the limit. And still when me ready for my share, them a tell me say it finish. Long time slavery abolish and diminish. When them still a go with them willing links in it. Now one and them. It's the same old story. They promises. Same old story. No lose the sanities. Same old story. No more for vanity.
I Selassie as the first. Yo, hey, yo, I go. Judgment. I said the wicked man will have to fall, and all the righteous man will have to stand tall. And the wrong man them got call, and now them back against the wall them fall. I said the wicked man will have to fall, and all the righteous man will have to stand tall. And the wrong man them got call, and now them back against the wall them fall. Long time if you want them and them never want listen. Tell them not this the man will get the blessing. Listen to the birds when you hear them a sing. Listen to the leaves all on the tree limb. Watch all the fishes in the sea when them swim. Every living thing have become hail the king. And all the water from the spring, me sing, hey. Say all the wicked man will have to fall, and all the righteous man will have to stand tall. And the wrong man them got caught. Now them back against the wall them fall. Say the wicked man will have to fall, and the righteous man will have to stand tall. And the wrong man them got caught, and now them back against the wall them fall. The wicked man fall, but the righteous man stand. Yes, we have it done for repatriation. Black government, we say black redemption. Emperor Selassie at the Almighty One. Yes, black people full time you take a stand. Yes, me have a fun Vatican, then me song again. All the wicked man will have to fall, and all the righteous man will have to stand tall. And the wrong man them got caught, and now them back against the wall them fall. All the wicked man will have to fall, and all the righteous man will have to stand tall. And the wrong man them got caught, now them back against the wall them fall. Well, the righteous man must stand dream.
I say, but you say, how could you rise up every living day, telling yourself everything is okay? When you look at life, you see it slipping away. God knows who feels it every moment, every day. Those who cry for the poor get neglected, rejected, put to death. How much more we are gonna take? Did the papa walk off him shot? Blood, sweat and tears. Don't tell me that you no forget. Being oppressed by the oppressors on different type of stress. For the sorrows of the poor, they don't even care unless if you study with girl atrocities. Civil unrest instead of million penny cross with health and strength. We all can get class. Happenings of yesterday are just a thing of the past. How could we rise every living day? Telling myself most things is okay. When we look at life, it's all slipping away. God knows who cry every moment, every day. Don't you cry, little one. Wipe your tears, sing my song. Though we in a strange land with evil lost one. Head the weak if you're strong. Iron sharpen iron. When you don't take a look, is where the helper come from. What about the mastermind them with the foolproof plan? What about the genius them who achieve grade one? How could we rise up every living day? Telling ourselves everything is okay. When we look at life, it's all slipping away. God knows who cry every moment, every those who cry for the poor get rejected, neglected, put to death. How much more we are got then? Did the papa walk off him shout? Blood, sweat and tears. Don't tell me that don't forget. Being oppressed by the oppressors on different type of stress. For the sorrows of the one they don't even care. Let's refuse to the return atrocities. Civil unrest instead of independent centuries as big as birdness. Saying we are to be blamed for whatever one miss. How could you rise up every living day? Telling yourself most things is okay. When you look at life, it's all slipping away. I don't know who cry every moment, every day. Some say, how you doing? They want to know if you're fine. Not until we repossess what's rightfully mine. Sitting down for so long, we don't believe it this time. Everyone is entitled to food and meal time. Till then, we'll struggle for rights. No more racial fights. Degradation to the highest heights. Clear obstacles as a people. We have to cross with help and strength. We all can get grass. Happenings of yesterday are just a thing of the past. How could we rise up every living day?
Straighten them out, dog, man. This cannot be straight out the pen and paper. Leave that till later. This year me, I know me, I know no bongo cat. This year me, I know me, I know no bongo cat. This year me, I know me, I know no bongo cat. Well, me, I know me, I know no bongo cat. Alright then, who do you think we get where? Who do you think we hear the half? Me, I know me, I know no bongo cat. Hey, one more if a man, I gonna think so myself. Send them straight. Who them attack? Who them a try extract? Who do remember the days when lifeless body get pushed out pan and cat? No one life man a deal with, time man a deal with. Who want make me rock? Man go play them a move slippery. Why I use up prison craft? We go send for the piece of iron they well and like giraffe. Cause me I know me I know no bongo cat. Well me I know me I know no bongo cat. Come now, me I know me I know no bongo cat. Well me I know me I know no bongo cat. Alright, who do you think gonna get wet? Who do you think gonna hear the half? Me I know me I know no bongo cat. Shot no up and you must be crazy. When the woman do you want make you kill the baby? Grapey some boy and I don't mean gravy. Take it to them beyond the limit of bravery. Yeah them they sell me out in a slavery. Politician talking pay and dancing story. The heart of the battle, sweet of the victory. No more promises you can't trick with. Get up, stand up and miss a rewrite history. What a thing that it Lord, give me. When me say me, I know 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 no bongo cat. Hey, one will leave a man, I gonna think so myself. Send them straight, who them attack, who them a try extract. Who remember the days when lifeless body get pushed out man and cat. No one like man I deal with, time man I deal with. Who want make me rat? Man go play them a move slippery. And I use up prison craft. Tell for the piece of iron they well long like giraffe. Me I know me I know no bongo cat. You want me I know me I know no bongo cat. You say me I know me I know no bongo cat. You want me I know me I know no bongo cat. Alright then, who do you think gonna get where? Who do you think gonna hear the half? Me I know me I know no bongo cat. Me I know me I know no bongo cat. You want me I know me I know no bongo cat. You say me I know me I know no bongo cat. You want me I know me I know no bongo cat. Alright then, who do you think gonna get where? Who do you think gonna hear the half? Me I know no bongo cat. Me I know no. To stop the war, because there's no justifiable reason. It's about time that you realize that you're not fulfilling your true purpose. This one's for the leaders who are fighting war all over the world. This one's for the leaders who are fighting war all over the world. Think about the youth who are dying out, crying out for love. Victims of the system, you divide and rule to break us down and tear us apart. What is the future for the human race? How will the children grow to take our place? Where is the love that we should all embrace? I do believe it's here for you and me. So this one's for the leaders who are fighting war all over the world. This one's for the leaders who are fighting war all over the world. This one is for the leaders who are fighting war all over the world. Imagine all the money that you spend on guns and bombs to destroy. While people are left hungry to die from want, and those who dare survive are unemployed. What is the future of the human race? How will the children grow to take a place? Where is the love that we should all embrace? I do believe it's here with you and me. But this one's for the leaders. Oh, this one, this one, this one's for the leaders who are fighting war all over this one for the children. This one.
Never wanna see the youth them cry. Never wanna see the youth them cry. Never wanna see the youth them lie. Tell them face sreggae. Never wanna see the youth them cry. Never wanna see the youth them lie. Never wanna hear the youth them cry. Tell them face sreggae. Well, she told them again.
Tell the sister don't get weary.
Listen now.
Tell them to be sharp. And tell the brethren to be ready. Father Gideon, too many years in Babylon. So many years we've been living wrong. Together, yes, you know we'll be strong. Tear down the walls of Babylon.
Never wanna see the youth them cry. Never wanna see the youth them die. I don't wanna hear your alibis. Tell them it's sreggae.
Never wanna see the youth them die. And I don't wanna see the youth them cry. I don't wanna see the youth them die. Tell them it's sreggae.
Everyone want to receive and no one wants to give. No one want to smile, everyone wants to big. No one want to die, well everyone wants to live. What does it take to big? What does it take to live? What does it take to give? Just think positive, yo. What does it take to give? What does it take to give? What does it take
I tell my people don't be weird. The Gideon is on. And tell the soldiers to be ready. I can never always stand strong. Together we fight the war and win. Cause victory is for us. Yes, we going out there in the battlefield, putting Babylon on down. Never wanna see the youth them die. Never wanna hear the youth them cry. Never wanna hear your alibis. Don't let me say never wanna see the youth them die. Never wanna hear the youth them cry. No one will hear your alibis. Don't let me say if they would listen to the emperor, then this world would be better. But because
everything happened before it spills. Let's see. Oh Lord, well make them know Babylon why you scrape, you spill. What we don't have, every ghetto youth will can't take. Oh wow, no better be still. And left from boy, cause you're gonna draw nil. Hey, yo, why you scrape, you spill. What we don't have, every ghetto youth will can't take. Oh wow, no better be still. And left from boy, cause you're gonna draw nil. Oh yeah,
Babylon, you them brain, to them ghetto, you them figure down the drain. Babylon, you them brain, they mark how to be the whole lot of a program. Babylon, you them brain, them all the fight against German, them a shipping cocaine. Babylon, you them brain, but them genocide all mind, them a go burning a flame. Oh, what agony and oh, what a shame to see my black brother going right down the drain. Man made to suffer and no man to feel pain. They break my mommy, my sister, I say, oh, what a shame. Brother and my father, fish up sugar cane. On the plantation and that stress and shame. On the man, on them foot, I just the shackles and chain. Now them take it off and put it on them brain. To them ammunition, figure down the drain. Now the youth, them realize the shout the highly name. Man no bed lion, that mean we can't tame. One thing is our desire, one thing is aim. This a wicked Babylon and them a go down the train.
Babylon, why you scrape, you spill. What we don't have, every ghetto youth will can't take. Oh wow, no better be still. And left from boy, cause you're gonna get killed. Oh, what a crisis you would cry. Face this, could them a come with them kit just to take every bit. Nothing man know, you are the boss for your kids. But oh I say here, you won't believe in it. I tell them no, could they adopt the board and practice. Now I see them on the face and on them own of vomit. Hey, you're not being kind. I want you up but now you leave us behind. Now something drop from your bag, nothing not touch it cause of mine. Once you want to us, so no forgive we every time. Babylon,
you them brain, show them on the ghetto, you them figure down the drain. Babylon, you them brain, they mark how to be so like them a broken. Babylon, you them brain, them all up against German, them a shipping cocaine. Babylon, you them brain, with them genocide all mind, them a go burn in a flame. But this is one thing I cannot overstand. Them teach me nothing about me Asian clan. In the school and the college and the institution, the curriculum that I get is European. I teach me about Marco Polo and Napoleon. Can't teach me nothing about the River Nile Bank, where civilization it began. You said thou shalt not steal and should not kill no one. Still you steal, treasurize, and then you teach wrong.
Rise to the occasion, look at yourself and say you're strong. No one can stop you, oh yeah. Rise to the occasion, go ahead, you know you're strong. No one can stop you. It's for you to make the best in the life. Now that you've got the chance, get up and step towards your goal, it's alright. Fulfill your needs and the wants. You to make the best in the life. Now that you've got the chance, get up and step towards your goal, it's alright. Yeah. Some people read and meditate, others move scanty, yo. Some people are conscious about life, others are still panting, yo. Some people like strong drink, cognac, champagne and brandy, yo. Babies love ice cream and cake and candy, yo. I love herbs and girls, good words, roots and my shanty, yo. Girls love clothes and shoes, going to school brand new and the means spanking, yo. Yes, we all need education because that's the damn thing, yo. All things fade, living it standing. It's for you to make the best in the life. Now that you've got the chance, get up and step towards your goal, it's alright. Fulfill your needs and the wants. You to make the best in the life. Now that you've got the chance, get up and step towards your goal, it's alright. Fulfill your needs and wants. You've got the clearance, that's the reference. Perseverance for the utmost best should be your preference. Skills of trade and talents is your evidence. Help those afar off, teach those in your residence. Oh yeah, girls getting sentiments. Look at it with a clear conscience. It's for you to make the best in the life. Now that you've got the chance, get up and step towards your goal, it's alright. Fulfill your needs and wants. It's for you to make the best in the life. Now that you've got the chance, get up and step towards your goal, it's alright. Whoa. People try so many things just to make a living. Thanks and praise to the King, ever living thanksgiving, yo. Need no distraction, stay focused because it now begins. Got to achieve your goals, I'm that so vivid. No crime, no killing, no confusion. Life is so real, no time for disillusion. Just like Mom would say, love is the solution. Keep making music, I'm a musician. It's for you to make the best in the life. Now that you've got the chance, get up and step towards your goal, it's alright. Fulfill your needs and the wants. Rastafari is the creator. Kalonji, you're the greatest. My desires to get higher, I'm inspired by the Most High. Yeah. My desires to get higher, I'm inspired by the Most High. Rastafari, beautiful world, beautiful people. Praise Rastafari and the study no evil. Beautiful world, beautiful black people. Praise Rastafari, give your fruits for the 4 seasons. That's why you better keep sharing, and you better keep giving, and you better keep caring. That is how you keep living, and you better be strong. So then you keep going on. Hail the conquering like no one. Sit up in only Mount Zion. Me tell you, it's a beautiful world, beautiful people. Praise Rastafari and study no evil. Beautiful world, beautiful black people. Love you one another, I tell you, and I will be so pleasant. So then you better be wise and open up your eyes and let the people to rise. Be unified, never divide. Whoa, and keep this fire burning. And you better keep learning.